Hey y'all, welcome to the Fowl Life Midwest Kitchen. I'm Joel Kleefisch. Today we're cooking out of the Provider Cookbook and we are so psyched. Dave Nelson's with us. He is a state champion goose caller, in addition a great turkey hunter, waterfowl hunter, and today we've got some fresh turkeys that we took right from the field. We're going to go to the cookbook here and we're going to use the wild turkey and bacon skewers. And the first thing we're going to do is take our turkey breast, and for this one we're using a hen breast. Dave, go ahead and cut that up into strips.
All right.
And then while he's doing that, I'm going to make what we're going to drizzle over the top of those skewers. Put a liberal amount of honey in a bowl. I'm going to add some chili powder to that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some fowl spice. Use a healthy dose of that in there. You're going to mix it together. It's going to be absolutely delicious. We've got the skewers here. Take one, and we're going to skewer these, but we're going to go end to end instead of putting chunks down the skewers. So the next key is to cover them with bacon. You just kind of wrap it at the top and kind of spiral. What I like to do is kind of spiral the whole thing. So now we're going to take this honey mixture and pour it right on these babies. Let's get it on the Traeger right away. We should be heated up to 375. 15 minutes later, oh my gosh, look at those babies. They look perfect. Thank you guys for watching our cooking segment here at the Midwest Kitchen for the Fowl Life. I'm Joel Kleefisch. We'll see you next time.